Temperature, humidity, or other environmental factors affect material properties or machinery that can potentially lead to generating scrap. Here are some of the recommended best practice strategies to reduce the risk of generating scrap. Control environmental conditions within the production area, e.g., humidity, temperature. Use climate-controlled storage for sensitive materials. Regularly monitor environmental factors that can impact production. In the next slides we will discuss the implementation guide to managing environmental factors to prevent quality issues. The first recommended best practice is to control environmental conditions within the production area, thereby maintaining optimal production conditions. One can install HVAC systems to regulate temperature and humidity. Next, use air filtration systems to maintain clean air quality, and then implement real-time environmental monitoring sensors to detect fluctuations. It is critical to ensuring consistency by establishing climate control SOPs to maintain stable conditions. To train staff on recognizing environmental impact on production, and then also to automate alerts for deviations to enable quick corrective action. The second best practice strategy is to use climate-controlled storage for sensitive materials, and by doing that, protect material integrity. One can store temperature and humidity-sensitive materials in controlled environments. Then use insulated containers and cold storage solutions where necessary, and implement FIFO, first in, first out, inventory control to prevent material degradation. Warehouse and storage optimization are critical to consider to ensure success. Firstly, maintain segregated storage zones based on material requirements. One can equip storage areas with dehumidifiers and temperature controls. And lastly, regularly inspect storage conditions to ensure compliance. The third best practice strategy is to regularly monitor environmental factors that can impact production through the implementation of real-time environmental tracking. One can deploy IoT-based environmental monitoring systems and use automated alerts and dashboards to track trends. Lastly, conduct periodic environmental audits to ensure compliance. Proactive adjustments is very important, and to do this, one must adjust machine settings based on environmental data. Secondly, schedule preventive maintenance for equipment affected by climate variations. And lastly, implement process adjustments based on seasonal fluctuations. The suggested best practices can only be effective when it is implemented, managed, and controlled. Please have a look at the next causes for scrap generation in the following videos. You may also like, subscribe, and send us a comment if you would want to add value to the channel or become part of the OPIX Coach ecosystem.